All right, Rain. I'm about to go make this video, girl. You ready? I'm about to show these people how I'm going from this phone to the camera. You ready? Let's get it, girl. All right, Rain. So now I'm about to set up my camera the way I'm about to have it, okay? All right, so I got this handy dandy bag. If you didn't see like the unboxing, all you gotta do is look at the previous video and you'll see the unboxing of my camera, the Canon M50 mirrorless. So here's the camera, body only. Can you say body only?
Body only.
Body only, okay. So we take off the cover. I'm still learning how all of this operates because I'm honestly not like a camera guru, but I'm like somebody who wants to put out stuff. Anyway, whatever that means. So I also did the Rode mic. I did the Rode mic, the short one with the little dead cat. I heard somebody say it in another video, so I'm gonna say what they said. But I was told this was a good mic to have for your camera, so you can get that audio, you know what I'm saying? Right? So then you have your little connector piece. Boom. Put it to the back. All right, and then got a little opening on the side. You just put it there. So I found out it was a bit cumbersome, like when you rotate the screen, it's a little blocker, a little pitfall. So you just have to like unplug it, and then you gotta watch out for the little thing, the little latch. Okay, obviously.
Daddy.
Boom. So you have to do all of that, and then you pull it back out. And then you can plug it back in so that like when you're doing your face on video, you can see your screen. Like, yeah, but it's okay. It's a minor adjustment that you have to make. Nothing big, nothing fancy, nothing extravagant. Just be mindful. I have this, and then I've been using actually this tripod that actually came with the bundle pack, and it's kind of cool because I also have like the Gorilla one. And I realized how strong it was. I didn't realize like how tight and all that good stuff. And I just like wanted something I can hold, right? So this is easy to hold. I can also put it down if I want to talk, all that good stuff. I've actually been watching some videos on what these covers actually do. Because like I said, I'm not like the master cameraman. But I was like, if I want to do YouTube videos in a quality visual way, I need to have a camera situation. So I asked my homie, actually a director, our director for the movies that we do. I asked him, hey bro, like what's a good camera for entry-level person like myself? And he recommended the Canon M50. He was like, yeah, it's cool, it's mirrorless, it'll be light, you get a good picture. You have the camera, or excuse me, the screen that articulates and it comes around. So you have the whole situation, bam, bam, boogie. And so, you know, while I'm out there doing my thing, I'm like this, right? My lovely wife is in, so, you know, while we do like any videos with myself or my wife or my baby girl, this is the camera that you will see us filming with. But real quick, if you haven't already, please like this video, you know, it helps. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so below. Thank you. And the mic. So the mic I purchased on Amazon. It was a good find actually. It was compact, small. It gave me everything that I needed. The sound is impeccable. And you'll see that in the other videos, but it's small and compact, easy to fit in the travel bag that the camera came with. And so it's gonna be hard to let go of Old Faithful. Like this was the tripod for my phone that I was using. And also my phone, which I'm videoing, recording from now, is even on a tripod that I got from Amazon too. But you know, it's gonna be hard to say goodbye. This was a cool little tripod thing. It was kind of like the Gorilla situation, but it's soft material, waterproof and all that good stuff. So, you know, it was cool. It was a cool little device. We had fun times. I purchased it on Amazon too. I'll put the link below if you're interested. But I mean, it did everything, you know, you needed to do. It was small, tight, compact tripod situation. Convenient. So say bye-bye to this, Rain.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. As I said, we now film from the camera. So I'll let y'all see what that looks like. You just turn it on, get the little focus in there. You tell it that you're ready to go. Boom. And it's just that easy. You know, we're ready to film. So now you can see the tripod over there where we're filming you from is right there. You know, we live life. So there's, you know, diaper bag and all that good stuff, whatever. We just live life. So this is the setup. This is how we video. So I'll not only show you this video, but I'll show you footage of this video, videoing this video while I do this video. Get it? If not, just rewind it. But if you, Rain, you want to get in there? Hey, beautiful.
Hi.
All right, that's our baby girl. She's 2. Anyway, all you have to do, again, if you will, be so kind to like, share, comment, all that good stuff. Subscribe below. So that's it. That's it, Rain. So we're gonna video us videoing us. All right?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. Anything else you want to say before we leave?
Yeah.
Tell these good people bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah?
Bye-bye.
Oh, you're so nice. Bye-bye. See you later. Hopefully you can't see the quality difference, but obviously you will. Right? Right. All right. We're out. Say peace.